Everyone knows a realtor. When I go to sell my house, the biggest investment that I have, the place where I have my time, my sweat, my equity, when I go to list that house, I want to know that I'm putting that in the hands of the most competent person. So the question is, why would I or anyone use you as an agent? What are you doing to set yourself apart? How are you growing your brand? How are you affecting the market? What are you doing to get more listings? Hi, my name is Jason from VRLY, and over the next few minutes, I want to walk you through a couple of concrete ways to grow your brand and to set yourself apart as a real estate agent. Here at VRLY, we want to help you win more listings and make every day an open house. But before that, I want to give you an example of some current clients already using VRLY and show you how we've helped them differentiate themselves on the market.
Hi, my name is Tim McGee. I'm a realtor and team leader at Catalyst Real Estate at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Ambassador Real Estate. Recently, I had a family that needed to sell their home quickly, and it was in the middle of winter. So they were concerned that wouldn't work because winter is a tough time to sell, is what a lot of people will tell you. So they trusted me, trusted everything that I was telling them that we were going to do. On Monday, we posted a coming soon listing on Zillow. Tuesday, VRLY came in, shot the video top to bottom. Then Wednesday, we went on the market at noon. 1 o'clock, we released the VRLY. By 5 o'clock, we had 3 offers on the home, and by 9 o'clock, we had that home sold. Not only did I sell their home for what they wanted, but we got more for their home. From 1 o'clock to 9 o'clock, statistics have showed that we had 67,000 views of that VRLY alone. VRLY is great because VRLY helps you as an agent get your listings out to more potential buyers.
VRLY didn't start with real estate. Our background lies in internet marketing and using the internet to drive traffic to businesses. So when one of the top 10 real estate groups in the nation came to us to help them with their digital marketing, what we did is we took a look at what is the latest technology people are using in the real estate industry and how can we blend that with our understanding of digital marketing. And what we did is we put this together and we came up with something we like to call a VRLY. So what is a VRLY? A VRLY is a 3-step process. So step 1, we scan your listing with the latest 3D mapping technology. Step 2, we build a unique website for that listing. And step 3, we take that listing and we drive traffic to it using social media. So let me take you step by step and provide you with everything you need to know in order to get started with your first VRLY. So the first step is to go to our website and register as an agent so we have all your information for your listings. Step 2 is schedule a VRLY. Select your city, select your time, and select your date, and provide us with the information about that listing. Because we're registered vendors with the Realtor Association, we have our own lockbox access. When we show up at the listing, we use our access to get into the house, and you as a listing agent will be notified when we arrive and when we leave. Then, we scan your listing, we build a unique website that houses your virtual walkthrough. We provide all the information on the listing. We showcase the video walkthrough of the listing. We show where the listing is located on Google Maps. We have a gallery with interior and exterior photos, and we put your contact information in front of viewers. Our turnaround time is 48 hours, or we can work with you to launch your VRLY campaign whenever you'd like. Next, we take that campaign and drive traffic back to you, meaning we take that video and push it through your Facebook page in order to direct people to your unique website, which houses your virtual walkthrough and ultimately grows you and your brand. Finally, we'll send you a link to that website, an unbranded version of your virtual walkthrough, and interior and exterior photos to upload to the MLS listing. The next step is up to you, and the next step is for us to establish a relationship. We want to help you win more listings. We want to take you and grow your brand. We know how to do this. We have the experience. Let us help you do what you're already doing best. And the best part is this is turnkey. We're going to go in and we're going to scan. We're going to build a website and we're going to distribute that for you, meaning you don't have to do anything. All you have to do is go get more listings.